Hello everyone. You can submit your mock test answers in the comment section. Question is, in Power BI desktop, you are building a sales report that contains two tables. Both tables have row level security RLS configured. You need to create a relationship between the tables. The solution must ensure that the bidirectional cross filtering honors the RLS settings. What should you do? Option A, create an inactive relationship between the tables and select Apply Security Filter in both directions. Option B, create an active relationship between the tables and select Apply Security Filter in both directions. Option C, create an inactive relationship between the tables and select Assume Referential Integrity. Option D, create an active relationship between the tables and select Assume Referential Integrity. Question is, you are modeling data by using Microsoft Power BI. Part of the data model is a large Microsoft SQL Server table named Order that has more than 100 million records. During the development process, you need to import a sample of the data from the order table. Solution: you add a report label filter that filters based on the order date. Does this meet the goal? Options are yes or no. Question is, you have a Power BI report that imports a date table and a sales table from an Azure SQL database data source. The sales table has the following date foreign keys: due date, order date, delivery date. You need to support the analysis of sales over time based on all the date foreign keys. Solution: from Power Query Editor, you rename the date query as due date. You reference the due date query twice to make the queries for order date and delivery date. Does this meet the goal? Options are yes or no. Question is, you are creating a Power BI model that contains a table named Store. Store contains the following fields: you plan to create a map visual that will show store locations and provide the ability to drill down from country to state or province to city. What should you do to ensure that the locations are mapped properly? Option A, change the data type of city, state or province and country. Option B, set summarization for city, state or province and country to don't summarize. Option C, set the data category of city, state or province and country. Option D, create a calculated column that concatenates the value in city, state or province and country. Question is, you have a Power BI report that imports a date table and a sales table from an Azure SQL database data source. The sales table has the following date foreign keys: due date, order date, delivery date. You need to support the analysis of sales over time based on all the date foreign keys. Solution: you create measures that use the user relationship DAX function to filter cells on the active relationship between the sales table and the date table. Does this meet the goal? Options are yes or no. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. In case of any query, please reach out to guruforcertification@gmail.com. Question is, you use Power BI Desktop to load data from a Microsoft SQL Server database. While waiting for the data to load, you receive the following error. You need to resolve the error. What are two ways to achieve the goal? Option A, reduce the number of rows and columns returned by each query. Option B, split log running queries into subsets of columns and use Power Query to merge the queries. Option C, use Power Query to combine log running queries into one query. Option D, disable query folding on long running queries. Question is, you have a report that contains a bar chart and a column chart. The bar chart shows customer count by customer segment. The column chart shows sales by month. You need to ensure that when a segment is selected in the bar chart, you see which portion of the total sales for the month belongs to the customer segment. How should the visual interactions be set on the column chart when the bar chart is selected? Option A, highlight. Option B, filter. Option C, no impact. Question is, a user creates a Power BI report named Report A that uses a custom theme. You create a dashboard named Dashboard A. You need to ensure that Dashboard A uses the custom theme. The solution must minimize development effort. Which two actions should you perform? Option A, publish Report A to Power BI. Option B, from Report A, save the current theme. Option C, publish Report A to the Microsoft Power BI Community Theme Gallery. Option D, from Dashboard A, create a custom theme. Option E, from Dashboard A, upload a JSON theme. Question is, you need to create a visualization that compares revenue and cost over time. Which type of visualization should you use? Option A, waterfall chart. Option B, stacked area chart. Option C, line chart. Option D, donut chart. Question is, you build a report to help the sales team understand its performance and the drivers of sales. The team needs to have a single visualization to identify which factors affect success. Which type of visualization should you use? Option A, key influencers. Option B, line and clustered column chart. Option C, Q&A. Option D, funnel chart. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the update. Stay tuned and keep learning with us. In case of any query, please reach out to guruforcertification@gmail.com. Thank you.